Bing, we are going to Tesco to get some food shopping. No, I don't want to go to Tesco. I rather perform in concert of Bing. I told you, concert of Bing is shut down. Anyways, we're going right now. This is so boring. Oh, I have an idea. I will pull the fire alarm. Ha 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 ha. Bing! Do you think about pulling the fire alarm in Tesco is a good idea? That's it! We're going home right now, and I will be calling the police. Why? 999, what's your emergency? Yes, this Bing just pulled the fire alarm at Tesco. Oh my goodness, that's it. I'm going to arrest him at the police station. Bing, you are under arrest for putting the fire alarm at Tesco. That's it. I'm going to put these handcuffs on you. Stop putting me handcuffs on me. Why do I always get arrested? Because you're a bad boy. Now you're going to stay there for a million years. Ugh. I'm always... Are you out of your mind, Bing? Why did you pull the fire alarm? No, Tesco's will be shut for a day. Stay there until Tesco and for 1,000 years. Ugh!